Students, please join. Am I audible? Everybody, please switch on your videos. Please join fast. Everybody, please join fast. Shall I start the class? Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, what you have done in your last class? Please respond. So, what is a set? Please respond.
Data container.
So, set is a data container. It will not allow any duplicate items. A set is always represented by a set of flower braces. Okay, so what are the operations available on sets? Different from lists. As sets, you have union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference. These are the operations. Is subset of and is superset of. See here, I just want to denote this. It's a recap, whatever you already learned in your maths. These are Venn diagrams. This is the example for a union. It is the pictorial representation for a union. This is the intersection. And you have here difference, that is nothing but A minus B. The whole B is excluded from A. Similarly, symmetric difference is the uniqueness of both A and the uniqueness of B. So here the intersection is disjoint here. Am I audible? Am I clear? Please
Yes,
respond.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just want to recall because I just want all these concepts of union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. Okay, so coming back to our last program, see, there are no errors in this program. I have tried again. So a set, it is going to take these duplicates, but whenever I try to print this set, whatever the duplicates, they are disabled and only the unique items are printed here. So this is the output you are going to print whenever you try to print the newly formed set, that is unique 40. Am I clear? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. Same thing, actually, I took another example. I want to share that screen. See here, I took a list here. Please observe carefully. And I'm trying to typecast my list to a set, and I'm trying to print the contents of the set S1. So if you carefully look at the output, so whatever you are getting, whatever the duplicates, they are suppressed and only the unique items are displayed here. Similarly, I took a tuple here and I'm trying to convert the tuple into a set here again. So whatever the duplicate items, they are suppressed and only the unique items are displayed here. Similarly, I took a string here and I'm trying to typecast it to set data type. I'm trying to display the contents of my string. And in the next print statement, I took a string here. She sells seashells on the seashore. A split function is used here. A split function always splits the string whenever it encounters a delimiter. Here, the delimiter is by default because I did not specify anything. So it is by default a space. So whatever the duplicate strings are present in this string, they are suppressed and only the unique strings are displayed here whenever I try to print this set. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Actually, you are asking about somebody that did not upload their tech talks. Okay, so I checked with HOD ma'am. She is saying that she don't have any access to that, and you have to check with the dean sir, Padmanabha Reddy sir. So if you have any concerns regarding the uploading of your tech talks, you have to consult him because HOD ma'am cannot do anything at this juncture because the date is closed. Am I clear?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. The date is until 26, ma'am.
Until 26?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. It is open until 26.
Okay, it is open. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, yesterday Narsima was asking me about the upload. So I just want to, okay, fine. Then no problem, right? You can do till tomorrow. Okay. Is this example clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please make a note of it? Please switch on your cameras. Hardeep, 74, 76, 81, Nitish, 84, 87, 88. Everybody's cameras are off except Rakesh, Rishi, B2, Satvik. Except them, all the cameras are off. And A9, his camera is always on. Revant camera is also on. Rest of you, please switch on your cameras. Did you finish? Please respond.
No, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Completely, ma'am.
Everyone, did you finish? Can I go to the next program?
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Ma'am, 1
respond.
second, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Next lab, Kala, you have to finish executing all these programs. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. Did you finish executing last class programs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm done, ma'am.
Done?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine, fine. See, you know what is a zip function? What is a zip function?
Combining like each element of both the sets is separately, like on basis of their index.
Zip function always returns a
Say,
nobody
Dictionary.
is executing the programs properly.
Dictionary, ma'am.
zip will always give like tuple of both the elements from both the sets having same index.
See, a zip is a function which is used to combine two lists or tuples, and a zip always returns an object which is pointing to a memory location. Same thing we have done in our list. Do you remember or not? So going back to the list, see here, there are two lists here, and I am trying to zip. That means I am trying to combine these two lists. So whatever the object, I am trying to print it using my print statement. So what I got a hexadecimal notation, which is nothing but the location. That is, I got a memory address. So that is the reason whenever you use this zip function, it is mandatory that you have to typecast it to a list or a tuple. So here I am trying to typecast my zip object to a list data type, and I am trying to print my list. So here I got a list of tuples here. Okay. Did you recall or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
This we have already done in our previous class. Same thing, the same zip function, I am trying to apply it on sets. Let's see what is happening when I try to apply it on a set. See here, you know, set is an unordered collection of unique data elements. So whenever I have taken here two sets, set 1 and set 2, and I am trying to apply this zip function on my two sets. See, I got a output which is very absurd. So it is not at all, it is not holding any meaning, because set happens to be an unordered collection. I got a random collection of tuples, and there is no exact mapping. If you look at it closely, there is no properly mapping done here. Okay. So it is a random collection. Is it understood or not? See here,
Ma'am, one second, ma'am.
Jenny is mapped to 2, Jack is mapped to 1. Till then it's okay. See here, Lee is mapped to 3. So this is not desirable, right? Similarly, current is mapped to 4. So that is the reason we will not use a zip function on a set. This is going to be your Viva question, whether it is applicable, whether a zip function can be applicable on a set or not. I just want to show it with an example. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See here, 5 should be mapped to Lee, whereas here 5 is mapped to Ken. And 4 is mapped to current, which is wrong. So you are not getting a valid output. So that is the reason we should not use a zip function on a set. Can you please make a note of it? Everybody's videos off. Satvik, also your video is also off. Only A9, Nikhila, Revant, Meharsh, Muhammad, Nikhil. Very few videos are on. Rishvik, Rohit, Sai. So I will be giving attendance to only these people. I just made a note of these roll numbers. So I'm going to mark you absent. Rest of the people whose videos are off. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, can I move on to the next slide? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this finishes the concept of sets here. I am moving on to dictionary. So what is a dictionary?
Data container.
So dictionary is also a data container. So a dictionary, it is always a group of
ordered.
elements which are arranged in the form of key and value pairs. Technically, a dictionary is always defined as an associative array in which each key of the dictionary will be associated or mapped to a value. So a dictionary contains a key and its corresponding value. Whenever you want to access the elements of a dictionary, you should not use indexing or slicing. Whenever you try to use indexing or slicing, these expressions will give you an error. So we can directly access the dictionary element with the name of the dictionary followed by a subscript, and this subscript consists of the field, whatever the attribute you want to access. Okay, is that clear? So the keys of a dictionary should be unique. No duplicate keys are allowed. So whenever you want to make any updation to the key value, the old key, the value of the old key will be lost and it is overwritten with the new key value. And please remember, all the dictionary keys are case sensitive. Though two dictionary keys, they have the same name, but if they are in different case, they are treated as dissimilar in Python. So what is the takeaway? A dictionary is a key value pair. The keys are immutable. So whenever you want to make any updation of the keys, the new value will be retained and the old value will be overwritten. And the keys are case sensitive. Am I clear? So no indexing or slicing is possible with dictionaries. Whenever you try to use any indexing or slicing with a dictionary, it leads to an exception. Okay. It gives a type error. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can I move on to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are two ways of creating a dictionary. Name of the dictionary followed by flower braces, and these are your fields. A key and followed a key and value. They are always separated by a colon operator. This is the syntax of a dictionary. So this is one way of creating a dictionary. Whenever you say print D1, the contents of your dictionary are displayed. And the other way is using a dict keyword. Whenever you use a dict keyword, please remember you should not use a colon. Rather, you should use it as a is equal to, as if you are assigning that particular value to the key. Okay. So, and the other thing is you should not use a flower brace whenever you are trying to make use of the dict keyword, because the dict keyword itself symbolizes it is a dictionary. So there is no need to use a flower brace. So the three differences between these two methods is we should not use a flower brace whenever you are trying to use the dict keyword. Similarly, you should not use a colon, and also you should not use no colon should be used, no flower braces should be used. And what is the third one? You should always make use of the dict keyword whenever you want to create the dictionary. So these are the two ways of creating a dictionary. So you can also update your dictionary by assigning a new key value to the value, new key and new value by using a subscript like this, D1 of subscript, and this subscript is containing your key value, and here you are trying to update this key value with this value 30,000. So our new dictionary now it consists of the keys name, age, and salary and their corresponding values. So whenever I want to access the individual attributes of this dictionary by using the statement print D1 of salary, I'll get the salary value as 30,000. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please
Yes,
make a
ma'am.
note of it? Yeah. Can you please make a note of it? Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, are you done? Can I move on to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
See here, these are the different kinds of methods which are applied on a dictionary. So I have a dictionary here with roll number, name, and course. These are my keys followed by their corresponding values. So I'm trying to print the dictionary. I got the contents of the dictionary, and I can also print the length of my dictionary because I have here three attributes. That means three keys here. I got the length of my dictionary as 3. That means I have 3 sets of key and values. Similarly, I can also copy the contents of my dictionary to another dictionary. So I'm trying to copy the contents of my dictionary 1 to dictionary 2, and I'm trying to print the contents of your dictionary 2. So you got the same contents, that is roll number, name, and course, and their corresponding values whenever I try to print the dictionary 2. So all the contents of your dictionary 1 got copied to dictionary 2. Here, I can use one more method called get. So whenever I want to know the value of a key, I can use a get method saying dict1 dot get of my key, that corresponding value is displayed here. So whenever I say here dict1 dot get of name, RF is printed here. So that is your get method. Similarly, you have here 3 methods which we frequently use in our dictionary. That is your dot items, dot keys, and dot values. So whenever I say dot items, it will be displayed all the corresponding key and values are displayed as a set of tuples in the list. You can see in the output. So you got all the set of your key and values as a set of tuples inside a list. Similarly, whenever I say dict1 dot keys, I will be getting a list of all the key values. Similarly, whenever I say dot values, I'll get a list of values. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I can also use an update method to update the contents of my dictionary. So I have here my dictionary with the keys roll number, name, and course. And I want to add one more dictionary to the existing dictionary. And that is dictionary 3. It has the keys grade and marks. And using an update method, I'm trying to update the contents of dictionary 1. So I'm trying to insert dictionary 2 into dictionary 1, and I'm trying to print the contents of my dictionary 1. Now, all the keys and values are added in my dictionary 1. See here, I got roll number, name, course, grade, and marks. So the contents of my dictionary 1 got updated with the method update. Similarly, I can use the operators, membership operators. You know what are membership operators?
In, not in.
In, not in.
Yeah. Okay. What are they going to return?
True or false.
Boolean values.
Boolean values.
They are
Boolean
going to
values.
return Boolean values. So whenever I say whether the key name is present in dictionary 1, it is returning true. Similarly, whenever I say class in dictionary 1, it is returning false, because there is no key value called class in our dictionary 1. Similarly, whenever I say class not in dictionary 1, it is returning true, because this class is not present in our dictionary 1. So I can also use a method called sorted whenever I want to sort the list of keys in my dictionary. So for that, I can use this method called sorted.dict. Sorted is a function. Please make a note of it. Sorted is here a function and it is going to take an argument dict1 dot keys because I want to sort the keys of my dictionary 1. So whatever the keys that are present in my dictionary 1, they are alphabetically sorted. You can just look at the output. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So there is one more method called clear. Whenever I say dict1 dot clear, all the contents of my dictionary are deleted. And whenever I try to print the contents of my dictionary 1, it is returning an empty dictionary. Can you please make a note of it? Please respond. Are you making a note of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Writing, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Writing,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Did you finish?
1 minute, ma'am.
Did you finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, did you finish? Can I move on to the next slide?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, how is it sorted, ma'am?
It is sorted alphabetically.
Alphabetically. Okay.
See here, C, G, M, A, B, C, E, F, G, M, N, Q, R. So it is alphabetically sorted. మీరు ఎవ్వరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయట్లేదు అనిపిస్తుందమ్మా నాకు చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్ గా. జెన్యున్ గా చెప్పండి, ఎంతమంది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నారమ్మా ఏ రోజు క్లాస్ ఆ రోజు? ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్.
మేడం టెక్ టాక్ ఉంది కదా మేడం, అందుకోసం అప్పుడు చేయలేదు మేము.
టాక్ ఎప్పుడు అయిపోయింది కదమ్మా, సాటర్డే దాకా. అందుకే నేను ఏం మిమ్మల్ని ఫోర్స్ చేయలేదు, బికాస్ మీరు అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేయాలి, మీకు ఇది కొత్త ఏమీ అనలేదు నేను. కానీ సాటర్డే వరకు మీరు చాలా బిజీ అనేసి.
అవును
సండే
మ్యామ్,
అంతా
సాటర్డే తర్వాత సాటర్డే నుంచి ఇంకా
తర్వాత
ప్రాక్టీస్
రెస్ట్
చేస్తున్నాం.
తీసుకున్నారా? సాటర్డే నుంచి ఏం చేశారు?
చేస్తున్నాం మ్యామ్.
చేస్తున్నాం మ్యామ్, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నాం.
మీకు చాలా కష్టం అవుతుందమ్మా ల్యాబ్ చెప్తున్నాను, బికాస్ పైథాన్ లోని రేపు మీరు సెకండ్ ఇయర్ కి వెళ్ళినా కూడా ఇదే సేమ్ డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్స్ మళ్ళీ మీకు పైథాన్ లోనే ఉంటుంది. మీకు ఇది అర్థం కాకపోతే సి కష్టం అవుతుంది, డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్స్ కష్టం అవుతుంది, అన్ని కష్టం అయిపోతాయి చెప్తున్నాను. ఇప్పటికిప్పుడైతే మీకు ల్యాబ్ కూడా చాలా కష్టం చెప్తున్నాను. ఈ ఆన్లైన్ ఇలానే ఉంటుందమ్మా, బికాస్ అది మన చేతిలో లేదు కాబట్టి. బట్ మీ అంతటి మీరు ప్రతిరోజు ఒక 15 minutes ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. నేను చాలా సిన్సియర్ గా రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను చెప్తున్నాను, లేదంటే అసలు అర్థమే కాదు చెప్తున్నాను. ఎవ్వరూ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయట్లేదు. రేపు హాలిడే అమ్మా, ఎల్లుండి థర్స్డే రోజు మ్యాథ్స్ మ్యామ్ అబ్సెంట్. ఆ అవర్ నేను తీసుకుంటానమ్మా. ఆ పార్టికల్లా మీరందరూ మీ స్క్రీన్స్ షేర్ చేయాలి చెప్తున్నాను. ప్లీజ్ ఎవ్రీబడి, 4th hour, that is 12 to 12:50, I'm going to take the class. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
మ్యామ్ can you repeat once more?
Ma'am, why is tomorrow holiday, ma'am?
Tomorrow is
Tomorrow is
Public day.
Republic Day.
26th day. వేరే
Can I move on to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is the one second. See here, this is a very simple example. So I have taken my dictionary, that is temperature, and this temperature consists of the keys, cities, that is Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore, and their corresponding temperatures. So whenever I say temperature dot get is a method. So whenever I give the key value, its corresponding, whenever I give the key, its corresponding value will be displayed. See here, whenever I say temperature dot get of Hyderabad, it is displaying its corresponding value. So that is temperature dot clear. I am trying to delete the contents of my dictionary. So I got the output as an empty dictionary. These are simple examples, just it's a practice for you. So again, in the next example, I have taken a string here. So I'm trying to find the length of your string, and I'm trying to display the string and its corresponding length in the form of a dictionary. Okay, so this is the output. I'm going to get good morning word and the length of the string here. Please observe here, even the white spaces are also counted as in the length of this string. See here, though the string is represented in a set of single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes, internally the string is always represented in the form of a single quotes only. So that is known as a raw string. So the interpreter, it will take the string only in a single quote form. Though you can represent the string in 3 forms, but internally the string is always represented in a single quote. That is known as a raw string. ఇది కాపీ చేసుకుంటారమ్మా, అక్కర్లేదేమో, ఏమంటారు? You want to make a note of it or not? I
Only
don't
ma'am.
think it's okay, right?
Yeah.
So here I am trying to traverse the list of the contents of my dictionary using a for loop here. So grades is going to be my dictionary consisting of here names and their corresponding grades. So using a for loop, I am trying to print the key and also its corresponding values. So whenever I say grades of key, its corresponding values are displayed here. This is your key followed by colon and its corresponding value. Since this is a print statement, always the next statement will be displayed at the beginning of the line because of the for loop. So all the 3 key and value pairs are displayed one after the other. See here, same thing you can say print grades also, you will get the output, but you will not get the output in this form. You can try this. You will get the output side by side. So whenever you want it in this form, you can use a for loop. I just want to demonstrate the usage of for with a dictionary. Am I clear? Please respond.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I want you to make a note of it so that you can try it. అప్పుడే టైం అయిపోయింది ఏంటమ్మా, 54 అయిపోయింది.
Ma'am,
చెప్పండి. Yeah, please tell me.
using for like we are going to specify some variable, we can separate both of those like John and A, we can separate it with the help of this for, ma'am.
I did
Because
not understand your
like-
question.
Like we are using a variable key, ma'am.
Yes.
And then we are representing John A differently, ma'am, like separately with a semicolon in between.
Colon in between. Yes.
Sorry, colon in between, ma'am. So
Okay.
that key represents all the names, right, ma'am? John and Ali and Jack.
Yes. All those are keys.
Okay.
All 3 are keys here. So whenever you say grades dot keys to display, it will be displaying John, Ali, Jack. Whenever you say grades dot values, it will be displaying ABC. Similarly, whenever you say grades dot items, then it will be displaying your John A, Ali B, Jack C.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Are you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Can I
ma'am.
move on to
Ma'am.
the next slide, everyone? Please respond. Can I move on to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. See here, this is, I have taken a dictionary here and I want to invert the key value pairs here. That is the objective of my program. So these are my key values: roll number, name, course, grade, and marks. So I want to display this dictionary in a reverse order. That means I want the value to be in keys place and key to be in the values place. For this, what I'm going to do? So I'm taking an empty dictionary called inverted and I'm trying to read the key value in my dictionary 1 using the method items here. So I'm saying here inverted of value is equal to key. So I am trying to assign whatever the key value to be present at the value in the other dictionary that is inverted, and I'm trying to print the contents of my dictionary inverted. Now I got the output as the key and value got swapped here in my inverted dictionary. Am I clear?
Understood.
Okay. So items is a method in your dictionary which is going to get the key value pairs. And I'm using a for loop here. I'm trying to traverse the contents of my dictionary using a for loop. And here I'm trying to access both the key and value from this dictionary one. So inverted is an empty dictionary. And in this inverted dictionary, I am trying to assign the key value of my dictionary one into the value field. And after the loop gets exhausted, I'm trying to print the contents of my dictionary that is inverted. Please make a note of it. I want you people to execute all the programs, and Thursday from 12 o'clock, I am going to take the class. You have to share your screens, please, roll number wise.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Please give your attendance. 66.
Present, ma'am.
67. 68.
Present, ma'am.
69.
Present, ma'am.
70. 71.
71 present, ma'am.
72. Okay, ma.
Present, ma'am.
73.
Present, ma'am.
74. 75.
Present, ma'am.
76.
Present, ma'am.
77. 78.
Present, ma'am.
79.
Present, ma'am.
80.
Present, ma'am.
81.
Present, ma'am.
82.
Present, ma'am.
83.
Present, ma'am.
84. 85.
Present, ma'am.
86.
Present, ma'am.
87.
Present, ma'am.
88.
Present, ma'am.
89.
Present, ma'am.
90.
Present, ma'am.
91.
Present, ma'am.
92.
Present, ma'am.
93.
Present, ma'am.
94.
Present, ma'am.
95.
Present, ma'am.
96.
Present, ma'am.
97. 98.
Present, ma'am.
99. A0.
Present, ma'am.
A1.
I'm 99 present, ma'am.
ఓకే అమ్మా ఎందుకు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వాలా A1.
అన్మ్యూట్ టైం పట్టింది మ్యామ్, అది అవ్వలేదు, క్లిక్ అవ్వలేదు.
ఓకే అమ్మా A1. A2.
Present, ma'am.
A3.
Present, ma'am.
A4.
Present, ma'am.
A5.
Ma'am,
Yes.
he is present, ma'am. Unable to unmute.
Okay. A6.
ప్రెసెంట్ మ్యామ్.
A7.
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
A8. A9.
Present, ma'am.
B0.
Present, ma'am.
B1.
Present, ma'am.
B2.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
B3.
Present, ma'am.
B4.
Present, ma'am.
B5.
Present, ma'am.
B6.
Present, ma'am.
B7.
Present, ma'am.
B8.
Present, ma'am.
B9.
Present, ma'am.
C0.
Present, ma'am.
C1.
Present, ma'am.
C2.
Present, ma'am.
C3.
Present, ma'am.
C4.
Present, ma'am.
C5.
Present, ma'am.
C6.
Present, ma'am.
C7.
Present, ma'am.
C8.
Ma'am, present.
C9.
Present, ma'am.
D0.
Present, ma'am.
ఓకే అందరూ అటెండెన్స్ అప్పుడు కొంతమంది లాగిన్ అవుతున్నారా?
మ్యామ్ 97 present, ma'am. I'm having net issue. That's why they are reconnected.
ఓకే absent is 67, 77, A1, A8 అమ్మా నలుగురు అంతేనా? ఎవరు?
A8 is having network issue.
Okay.
Madam, 77 A1 present, madam.
A1 also present.
No. A1 present, madam.
I cannot hear you. Can you please text? 70 present చేశానమ్మా. So absent is 67, 77 and A1. Is that okay?
Ma'am, 67 present, ma'am. Meghanath.
Meghnada.
Yes, ma'am.
ఎక్కడ
He
ఉన్నారు
just
మేఘనాథ్?
network issue instance, ma'am. Just now left the class, ma'am.
He was there, ma'am, in the class.
Yes,
ఈసారి
ma'am. He was
నుంచి అలా
there in the beginning.
అలా నేను వేయట్లేదమ్మా అసలు.
మ్యామ్
Madam,
A1 ప్రెసెంట్
okay.
మ్యామ్. అక్కడ వాయిస్ సరిగ్గా చెప్పడానికి రావట్లేదు. రాజీవ్ రెడ్డి.
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ ఎఫెక్టివ్ గా 67 అబ్సెంట్. మరి 57 పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు ఎందుకు?
కొంతమంది ప్రెసెంట్ చెప్పి వెళ్ళిపోయారు మ్యామ్.
ప్రజెంట్ చెప్పి వెళ్ళిపోయారు మ్యామ్ చాలా మంది.
మీరు సపోర్ట్ చేశారు అనుకోండి. సరే, ఎనీవే ఇప్పుడు 67 ఒక్కరే అబ్సెంట్. ఓకే, డిడ్ యూ ఫినిష్ కాపీయింగ్ ద స్లైడ్?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, see you in the next class. Chalo, you can leave.